Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to take a look at our 1.5" leveling kit for the GMC Sierra AT4X. Now the AT4X is an AT4 with a little bit extra. And that extra is going to be the Multimatic DSV dampeners that allow you to adjust on the fly. The truck has multiple driving modes that ensure that even if you're a novice, you'll look like a pro on the trail. Now the AT4X is an amazing truck straight off the lot. But like any other truck, it does have a factory rake. We're going to take care of that with Rough Country's 1.5" leveling kit. Now the kit consists of 3 spacers per side. We've got a preload spacer, an upper strut spacer, and a lower strut spacer. Now you don't want to put all of your height in one location on the strut. Using 3 spacers makes sure that the geometry as well as the clearance around the strut is maintained. The preload spacer is a 2-piece unit. That is so you don't have to fully disassemble the strut. You'll compress the spring, put the 2 halves together, mesh them together seamlessly into one preload spacer. All these parts come together to give you an 1.5" lift on the front of your AT4X and allows us to run a 285 6518 Nitto Trail Grappler on the factory wheel. Like I said, the AT4X is a great truck right off the lot. An AT4 with a little extra. But if you're looking for a little extra more, we've got you covered with Rough Country's 1.5" leveling kit. Check it out today at roughcountry.com.